to make roasted vegetables, and you could use whatever vegetables you like. Today I'll be using broccoli, potatoes, and an onion. The first thing you do is put on your oven for 455 degrees. Then you wash your vegetables. After you're done washing the vegetables, now we're gonna cut them. If you are a kid and you're not used to using knife, then tell a grown-up. My mom is gonna help me cut the vegetables up. So I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Once it's cut, make sure they're kind of all the same size. After you're done, now we're gonna put in the olive oil. Now I'm gonna mix it with only one hand. Now that we're done putting the oil, now we're gonna sprinkle some salt. Now that we're done, now we're gonna add in our paprika. Make sure you only put the paprika in the sweet potatoes. Now that we're done adding the paprika, now we're gonna add in garlic salt. Now that we're done adding the garlic salt, now we're gonna add in the pepper.
That's lemon pepper.
The lemon pepper. Now that we're done adding the garlic pepper, now we're gonna put in black pepper. When you're done adding it, then you're gonna mix it with your hands. Guys, look at these. These look really good. I hope you could smell them. They're so good. And now we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes. And remember, if you want it to be crispy, then you could put it in for 20 minutes. After you're done putting the other vegetables in the oven, make sure that you cut your broccoli evenly. After you're done cutting your broccoli evenly, now we're gonna add in the olive oil. Make sure you put a little bit more olive oil than the other vegetables. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're going to put in the salt. Now I'm gonna add in the lemon pepper. You don't have to put in the lemon pepper, but I'm gonna do it today because I like it. Now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to spread it evenly. After you're done spreading them evenly, now we're going to put them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. So I'll see you in a little bit with both of the vegetables. The potatoes are really hot, they smell so good, and now we're gonna check on the broccoli.
Good?
They came out super good. I wish you could try them, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!